Now, if you're wondering what this little device is here next to me, you better listen up. It is going to change the way that you camp. This is the Companion Aquaheat Shower. Let's take a look. This portable hot water system is powered by a lithium rechargeable battery, and it'll heat the unit through a portable gas cylinder. As well as its lightweight and portable design, we've got a really nice, neat digital display here which can tell you all that's going on with the unit. We've thought of everything to make this little guy the most convenient thing you have running around the campsite, including these fantastic quick connect fittings. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to turn this thing on and get it up and running. It's a simple two-touch process. One touch, turn the unit on. Second, hit the start button. Automatic electronic ignition, and you're away with hot water in seconds. The best thing about this unit is the easy auto off on the shower head. To cut the unit out, get your dishes done, you can soap up if you're having a shower, and to switch the unit back on, simply turn the shower head on and you'll see that the unit reignites and you're ready to continue on. Another great feature that makes this system unique in the market is the brushless pump. And as for the water flow, it's going to give you 2 litres a minute, which is more than enough for a shower, doing dishes, or anything else that you need some water for around the campsite. And to add it all off, we're throwing in a couple of non-kink silicone hoses, both with plenty of length, so if you're in the shower and you're tall, you can get under the shower head and you can place your pump a bit further away from the unit. And like all Companion gas appliances, we adhere to the strictest of Australian compliance regulation. We've been clever enough to build in some really smart safety features into this unit to make sure that you can use it in the most safe and simple way possible.